So we're here in Gilbert, Arizona, and we got two side-by-side hotel projects going up, and a truckload of Fox Blocks just pulled up, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 guys. They are handling the unloading of the truck, and right now it is let's see, it's 9:30 Monday morning, and let's see how long it takes to unload this truck. So those bundles are 12 blocks. That's a 6-inch core, and each block is around 7.5 pounds. So that's 80 plus pounds on the back, and that's just awesome. All right, so these guys are about halfway into this load, and it is now almost 9:40. So about 10 minutes into this operation and getting about halfway into the load.
It's gotta be the quickest we've ever done.
There is the front of the truck, and this is the last bundle of block, and yeah, that was 2 minutes ago in the last. So 9:45, we started at 9:30. These guys popped this out with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 guys, 15 minutes. 6 guys, 15 minutes. ICF Specialists, getting it done.
2 guys, 20 minutes. We were running. We were running. I wouldn't believe it.
All right, there goes the last bundle. Thumbs up, gentlemen. Well done.
Sir, ICF right here.
Empty truck. Here we are. It's 2025, a brand new year, and I get to start off this Monday morning in Gilbert, Arizona, with side-by-side Fox Blocks hotels going up. What a wonderful thing that is. And it's 2 different architects. It's 2 different brands of hotels. It's kind of a really weird coincidence that they're going up side-by-side next door to each other. But we've got a Homewood Suites and a Marriott Residence Inn. And why? Why are these folks pulling the trigger on ICF for their hotels? Well, it's not because we're smart or handsome. It's because they make more money. The operational cost reductions are tremendous with double insulated concrete walls. The comfort, guest comfort, and quiet is really enhanced. And then you've got something called RevPAR, Revenue Per Annualized Rooms. These hotel developers are finding that their ICF properties, their Fox Blocks hotels, are more profitable, and that is that.